Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Juju. Yes, y'all, I apologize in advance because we're on here to do a little crochet install, but we have no idea how we want to do it. I just know I need to get my hair in a protective style so that I could stop damaging it like I've been doing for the last 4 weeks at this point. Like, y'all, the damage is real, and I'm just like, Lord, why do I keep doing this to myself? Please give me the control to stop this nonsense because this is ridiculous. Anyways, y'all, right now I'm about to install some Goddess faux locks. They're about like 18 inches. This is what they're looking like. They are from a company called Osuntress. This here was sent to me. But I did pick the one that I wanted, and I really like the way this one looked. Plus, y'all, it is fall, and I am feeling the brown here right now. I really am. I'm in a mood where I just feel like no black hair, we're feeling some brown. So anyway, I'm not gonna keep talking. I can't even give y'all a preface as far as like what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna do this, because at this point I actually don't even know how I want to install the hair. You know what? The installation is gonna be based off of what the title says it's gonna be, and that's gonna be decided by the end of the video, because at this point I'm not really sure how I want to install it. I just know that I kind of want the front out a little. I have a general idea, but I'm not. Y'all, you know, let's just get into this install. You guys, this installation was a mess from the beginning to the end. Case in point, right now I realize it's a mistake to wear white because my hair sheds so much. Then, when I started parting my hair, I realized I was using the wrong comb. No biggie though, I got the right comb and got those precise parts that I needed. I parted off the front of my hair with a deep U because the plan was to leave out about 2 rows of single locks and traditional crochet the back of my hair. I braided down the back Goldilocks style, as in not too close, not too tight, just right. Side note, does anyone else find braiding relaxing? Comment below, let me know if you do or if you don't. Please provide your reasons. I really do not find it relaxing. I actually find it's a stressor. Braiding is a stressor in my opinion. I might look calm right here, but I am stressed. Another side note, do y'all see how much oils I have in my hair in preparation for this protective style? So much oils on my hand right now. You'll see in the middle I braid smaller because I find that in the back of my head, you tend to see through to my braids under the crochet here if I space the braids too far apart. By the end, all the braids in the back of my head come together as one. As you can see, although I did not go crazy with precision of parting, I left that for the front of my hair. I use my Shine and Jam per usual to get those crisp parts in the front of my hair. I always make sure the base of my plaits is very secure. You want a good foundation or they'll loosen or unbraid by the time you go to install the locks. I braided halfway down, then twisted the rest. The braids will go into the locks, so it doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be perfect. Showing y'all again to stress this point. This right here is like the 3rd or 4th mistake of the day. I left too much hair out in the front of my hair, thus having too many singles. I had 32 single plaits, y'all. 32. Typically when I do this style, I only have about 20. Moving on, I did the back how I always do. I'm a creature of habit, what can I say? I use the 2-finger separation method. I just need you guys to watch this struggle real quick. I really wasn't sure we were gonna make it. 1 whole minute for 1 crochet goddess lock. Shaking my head. Anyways, because these locks are wavy, I am very careful not to pull or tug too hard on it so that I don't disturb the lock from its style too much. I don't want to loosen the pattern and I don't want to loosen the curly end. At least that's what I was trying to prevent at this point. That does change later on down the road. So back to the front. I used a few different methods because I wanted a sort of messy look. I didn't want the locks to look too perfect. I wanted that like hippie look. So one method is I crochet in the lock, looping my hair in, and then I take some Afro bulk hair in the color 4 that I purchased at my local beauty supply to wrap around my hair, as you'll see me doing now. With this method, I hold the shorter side of the Afro hair against my hair as a tether and wrap around the root of my hair and the dread about 3 to 4 times before continuing down the length of the lock. For the curly hair, I pull it to the side to wrap around it. If you run out of Afro hair before your natural hair is completely covered, attach more of the Afro hair in the same way that you attached it in the beginning and just continue wrapping down until you secure it. When you get to the bottom of your natural hair, then you begin to wrap back up. At least that's what I did to make sure that the hair was secured. Again, this does not have to look perfect because we are going for the messy hippie look. The second method I use is I crocheted the lock in my hair in the same way, but instead of wrapping the additional Afro hair around my hair to cover my natural hair, I unwrap and rewrap the crochet lock. Crochet locks are essentially done using a coil method. So you essentially just like unwrap that coil and rewrap it around your natural hair until the hair is completely covered. Again, when you get to that curly hair, that loose curly hair, you want to move it to the side and just, wrap around it. This is one way that I would do it, and I would like move on to the next hair. But sometimes I would do the third method, which is using some old free tress deep twist hair that I found in the color 30, and I wrapped it around the same as I did in the Afro hair. You guys, this that just happened that you just saw right now, that was basically a mistake because the entire piece was supposed to stay in my hair, but obviously I did not put it in long enough so that as it's wrapping around, it wraps down. But it goes with the messy look that I'm going for this style, so I'm gonna keep it. The fourth method I used was to crochet in the additional hair for wrapping. This is not much different from the first method. I'm simply using the crochet method as an anchor for the hair before wrapping it versus just holding it against my hair. Once I finished everything, I oiled my scalp. Y'all, it is fall, it is cold, dry scalp for me this season is terrible. So I killed my hair with as much oils as possible to combat this. If you have suggestions on how to help this, please comment below and let me know. Your girl needs help. At this point, I also touch up any wrap-ins I might have been lazy with. You guys will have noticed using the wrapping method on the locks straightened them a little at the top. In the back of my hair, I pulled on the lock to straighten them as well so that it's a cohesive look throughout the hair. I also added oils to the crochet here because it just looked a little bit dusty to me. That's an option. That is not something you have to do. And voila, finished results, y'all. Well guys, thank you for stopping by and watching another one of my videos. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some kind of information as far as how to get this distressed goddess lock look. The finished product, if I'm being completely honest, is accidental. It's fine because I had no goal in mind when I started this video. I just know I wanted these crochet braids installed, but I didn't exactly have a I didn't really have a look that I was going for. I just know that I wanted it to be kind of like free flowing in the front. It was done in a way that as it grows old, it looks very natural. And I was just feeling the brown look, y'all. What do you guys think? Comment below. How do I look in the brown here? Because right now I'm really feeling it. I'm really feeling that brown look that's been going on this season. Though I'm a little bit late to the trend. I'm always late to the trend though. But anyways, y'all, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope if you did, you will go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you did not, please don't give it a thumbs down. Don't do that to me. And go ahead and comment your thoughts below and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.